Oh, I've just got home from a really long journey, but I made this at the weekend at my sister's. You know, when we went over for my brother's birthday, I can't sit still. I've always got to be doing something. I think I've told you that before. So I'm going to explain how I did this because I think I'm actually only going to make the one. I thought I was going to make two, but it's just going to be the one. So I'm going to flip you around so I can talk you through it. As usual, please press that subscribe button. I would love you to be part of the family, and we also love those thumbs up. And what do you think? Have you made anything very similar? Have you done anything like this? I'll turn you around and I'll go through exactly what I've done. So as you can see, this is it, and it's quite large, and I've weighted it down with stones as well. So I've bought this great big plant pot. You can see it's really quite large. This was about £2.50, £2.99 from PoundStretcher. And then I've taken one of these. I got these from the range, and it's an extra large polystyrene ball. So I took one of these, and with a hot glue gun, I also got this from no, that was from the range. This was from B&M. And if you can see, it's wool, but it's got a fluffiness to it. So this, I've stuck it in now, but this was the ball, and I've just covered it, you know, going line to line to line to line to line. I've covered it in the furry wool, or whatever you want to call it. And then I've cut out, and I just free-handed these, I've cut out a felt, like this kind of shape, and then pink, stuck it on with glue, and then stuck these on with glue. One of them I stuck on with a hot glue gun. The other one I used that Dovecraft glue that I get from Poundland, which is so superb. Then, so what I've done inside, if I can show you here, just pull this back. So I've filled it with stones to about there at the bottom, so it's heavy. So when I put it outside at Easter, it's not going to blow over in the wind. Then that is the expanding foam, you know, that plumbers use. I use the no nonsense one, which I get from, well, this one was from B&Q, but they're more expensive. The best place to go for them is actually Screwfix, where you get a wholesale price and they're cheaper than B&Q. Just to give you a bit of a tip on that. Then what I did was I bought these flowers. Sorry, I'm pointing somewhere else, wasn't I there? I bought these flowers from PoundStretcher, and I've got these tulips from Poundland. So I think the yellow ones were £1 altogether, the orange one were £1 altogether. Each stick of this was £1.50. So and then I got, and I'm just hoping they still do it this year because it's absolutely superb, and that's this moss. It's a moss that you get from Poundland, and it's only 9p a bag, but all I can find, I got it from my Poundland in Burnley, but all I can find now is just the straw stuff, which I don't like. I want the moss, so I don't know whether they do it anymore. And then, so I put the bunny bottom in first. I need to put a tail on him. I put the bunny bottom in first, and then I stuck the flowers in, and I've actually put them into the foam and put a little bit of hot glue on them. Same with that. And then if I just move these out the way, which is what you will need to get, that is how it's finished. These are my floating teacups. They're actually on YouTube as well. I'll leave you a link below for how you look at those. And that, they've gone really manky now, but that's the lemons in the vase. I'm just about to throw that away. Not the flowers, but the lemons. That's also in the description below. I'll leave it in the description. But look how fantastic that is. So I've got it for the kids' Easter party, for the Peter Rabbit party. So what am I looking at? About £6 for the Screwfix, which is the foam. So £3, let's say, for that. So that's £9. This was 2, so that's 11. and then 150, that's 3, 6. So we said £17, and then this. So I reckon all in all, probably around about £25 to make that. So probably a little bit more pricey, but when you're picking them all up individually, you kind of don't think that it's going to be that much, do you? But if you were to buy that in a shop, what would you say? Would you say you could pick something like that up for £25? I wouldn't. I'd think it would be more than that. But I absolutely love it, and of course we'll keep it year after year for the kids as well, and I'll probably use it and put it out for Frankie Jack's birthday. So all it needs is a little bunny tail, which I'll find or I'll make, and I just wanted to show you. So don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to, subscribe might be down this way. And also, please, please, please leave your comments in the section below. Really excited for Easter. We're less than a month away now. Well, I know Good Friday's on the 19th. That's when I'm having the kids' party on the Good Friday. And I can't wait to put this out for the kids to see. I think it's so cute. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow.